Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Very okay. Today, we're going to be talking about a nutrient that is essential for good health: fiber. And what better food to start with than one of the most popular breakfast options out there: oatmeal. Fiber is an essential part of our diet, and it's important to understand just how much of it is in the foods we eat. So, let's take a closer look at oatmeal. One serving of oatmeal, which is typically 1 cup, contains around 4 grams of fiber. That's about 16% of the recommended daily intake for adults. But why is fiber so important, you may ask? Fiber has numerous health benefits, including regulating digestion, promoting feelings of fullness, and reducing the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol levels. Oatmeal is a staple food in many people's diets and is often considered a healthy option, especially for those with diabetes or other blood sugar conditions. The relationship between oatmeal and insulin is complex, but here's what you need to know. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps regulate blood sugar levels in the body. When we eat, our blood sugar levels rise and insulin helps transport glucose from the bloodstream into the cells where it can be used for energy or stored for later use. One of the key factors that can impact insulin response is the glycemic index, GI, of the food we eat. The GI is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI, such as white bread or sugary drinks, can cause a rapid and large increase in blood sugar, leading to a larger insulin response. Oatmeal has a lower glycemic index compared to other breakfast options, like white toast or sugary cereal. This means that oatmeal can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin, making it a good choice for those with diabetes or other blood sugar conditions. Additionally, the fiber in oatmeal can also help regulate insulin response. Fiber slows down the absorption of glucose in the body, reducing the need for insulin and helping to regulate blood sugar levels over a longer period of time. In conclusion, oatmeal is a nutritious and fiber-rich food that can help regulate insulin response and blood sugar levels. However, it is important to remember that other factors, such as portion size, the addition of sugar or other high GI ingredients, and an individual's unique metabolism, can also impact insulin response. It is always best to speak with a healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. And there you have it, folks, the connection between oatmeal and insulin explained. I hope this information has been helpful and that you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We have a lot more informative and interesting content coming your way, and you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Very okay.